Introducing Immu Gummies by Young Living, the tastiest and easiest way to give your immune system a superhero-level boost. Packed with natural, immune-boosting ingredients, these delicious gummies are free of artificial additives and made with real, wholesome goodness. Now you don't have to worry about germs sneaking in. Get your bottle today and confidently declare, "Not today, germs." Keep yourself invincible with Immu Gummies by Young Living. Get yours today. Rocket ready for ultimate business freedom? Start an LLC. Cool ultimate guide to unlocking your potential. Don't miss out. Your future starts here. Right finger need help? Click here. Fire act now. Accompany this with a high-energy, engaging video or image showcasing the benefits of owning an LLC. How to start an LLC. A limited liability company, LLC, is a type of business structure that shields its owners from being held personally liable for its liabilities. One of the most important steps in starting a company is forming a limited liability organization. An LLC can provide liability protection for your company and other benefits. You must file documentation with your firm's state to form an LLC. The requirements and procedures for forming an LLC vary substantially by state. Here are a few general guidelines you need to follow to start a limited liability company in any state. Choose a name for your LLC. Choosing a company name is the first and most crucial step in forming an LLC. Pick a name that complies with LLC naming regulations and is simple for prospective customers to find online. While these requirements vary, most states generally specify. The business name must contain the phrase, limited liability company, or one of its abbreviations, LLC. Any terms in the name that might be confused with those of a public authority are prohibited, e.g., FBI, State Department. Restricted words, like bank or attorney, may require additional paperwork and the involvement of a licensed person, such as a lawyer, in the LLC. Choose a registered agent. Nearly all states require that LLCs designate a registered agent, also known as a statutory agent. A registered agent is an individual or corporation who accepts court summonses, subpoenas, and other legal papers on the LLC's behalf. The registered agent then passes the legal documents to the appropriate person at the LLC. Any person who is a state resident and is older than 18 can act as a registered agent, including a member or LLC officer. Individuals may also choose a member of their LLC or a trusted friend to be the registered agent, as long as they meet the state requirements. Several businesses offer registered agent services for a price. File articles of organization. To establish an LLC, individuals must complete and submit the Articles of Organization form to the state. Although some states have a separate department that handles business filings, most require you to file your LLC formation paperwork with the Secretary of State. Most states offer the option to file the Articles of Organization online. Visit the Secretary of State's website for the location where you're setting up the business. Navigate the page to the Articles of Organization form and select Fill Online. All states charge a filing fee, but the price varies by state. The following is the generally required information to fill in the form for most states. Name and address of the LLC. Name and address of the individual establishing the LLC. Name and address of the registered agent. Statement regarding registered agent consent. Purpose for the formation of the LLC. Signature of the business owner and, in some states, the registered agent's signature. Obtain a certificate of formation from the state. An LLC certificate is also known as a certificate of formation. After properly submitting the Articles of Organization form, the state will mail you this certificate. This certificate is a legal document that certifies that the LLC was properly formed and is formally recognized as a legal entity in the state where it was registered. Once you have the certificate, you can take care of business-related tasks, including opening a business bank account, obtaining a tax ID number, and obtaining business permits. Create an LLC operating agreement. An operating agreement is a legal document that specifies a limited liability company's ownership structure and member roles. The operating agreement for your LLC serves as a roadmap outlining how it will be managed. The operating agreement is often not submitted to the state and might not even be required by the laws of your state. It is considered professional to have an operating agreement, especially if the company has several employees. It is a crucial method for business owners to outline their duties and rights to prevent misunderstandings in the future. The process of drafting an LLC operating agreement might begin before or after the submission of the Articles of Organization form. Operating agreements are crucial for avoiding future legal issues, since they include details about conducting commercial transactions. As a result, it is typically a good idea to consult business lawyers or the company's registered agent when creating one. Thanks for watching. Like and share if you received value.